Welcome back to the kitchen table. Today on the kitchen table, well, it's something we always took as something to be proud of on the kitchen table, because we never said anything unnecessarily. If there's nothing to say, we didn't say it. But now there is something to say, and there's something to shout about. DJI Mavic Air. What a beast. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks, and it is just unbelievable. So I felt it deserved its own film on the kitchen table. So what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of weeks is really taking this out, using it on jobs, using it recreationally, just enjoying it, making sure it works well. What does it do? What features does it have? And that's what we'll be showing you on the kitchen table. So stay tuned to the kitchen table. We'll have a big update on the Mavic Air. What does it do? Is it worth it? Is it brilliant? Yes, it is brilliant. It's so good. It's one of the most anticipated drones I've been waiting for a long time, and it does deliver. Boy, does it deliver. It's an absolute beast. Also, some news on Share the Air, which is coming soon. The CAA branded events. Brilliant that the one towards the end of last year at Compton Abbas was. Some news on that coming very soon. But look out for this beauty coming soon on the kitchen table. Thanks for watching. Get in contact with the comments below. What do you want to see this baby do? What can it do? Do let us know. And thanks for watching the kitchen table.